Come test drive the 2016 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote start, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.